So before proceeding further, I want to discuss some more topics in about the variables. Like we have seen in our previous video, we can add two integer values. So in the same way, we can add two string variables. Now we can print A plus B. So we have seen the three data types like integer, strings, and the float numbers. So let us see, like name is equal to Williams, age is equal to 25, and we want to print the string plus the variables inside it. How we can do it? Print the name is, and now we will be printing out the string inside the name. For that we should have to first give the comma and name. The name is Williams. Now let us step further. The name is comma from name and comma, and we will write, and the age is comma from the age. The comma also include the space. From the last character it will add the space also, and here also you should have to specify the comma. It will additionally add the space. The same thing for the age. So this will print the name. The name is Williams and the age is 25. So now let us say 1, B is equal to 2. Now if say print A plus B, can you guess what would be the result? If you think it is 3, you are wrong. It is 1 2. It is not 12, it is 1 2, because we are declaring it as a string here. So always remember the difference between the string and the integer. So like this we can use the print function to print out the variables. So one more thing I want to say is, like, instead of like just printing one A and B, why are we using like print A? So why we are using print A? We can use A, B directly. No, because this is a Python shell, we are just testing our code. This is not to develop complete application or module. For that we need a file that we will be looking after we have covered some topics. We will be looking in our further session. So for now we will be learning the basic topics. This is just for testing and writing the code. So in the real time A will doesn't give any result. We should have to write the print yes statement. So hope you understood something, and meet you in the next video.